before we start the week 8 assignment, remember to go to the course homepage and launch the Excel keyboard shortcut as I have here. And the shortcuts we're going to be using is the move to cell, Control G, and the insert columns, which is first to select the entire column, Control space, Control plus space, and then after that is Control and a plus plus, or Control and also plus. That inserts the column. Now we're actually going to make more than one column at a time. So after we go Control space, we're going to go Shift and go to the right 4 more times to make 5 columns, as you'll see in the assignment. So anyways, back to the assignments, assessment assignments, and go down to the week 8 data contribution assignment. And we're working with bonds. We're going to select from our sector that we're going to be assigned 30 bonds for the stable portfolio and a different 30 bonds for the high return portfolio. And so the first step is to add the columns that I was referring to. We have to start by opening up the spreadsheet. So I'm going to use my Windows Explorer, and in my OneDrive, here's the week 8 bonds. Make sure that autosave is on, which in my case it is. And I'm going to be working in here's the sectors, consumer and services, energies, financials, industrials, transportation, utilities. And I was the second person back when I was doing the different companies. I was the second position company, and so I'm also the second position here in bonds, which in my case is energy. And I'm going to be eventually I'm going to be selecting 30 bonds from here, but I need to make the columns. And so the columns are in, the next step is to go to my sheet, which I did, the energy sheet. And then I'm going to add 5 columns from K to O. So I'm going to go to Control G. I'm going to go to K1, enter. And I'm going to hold Shift, Control and space to select that whole column. And then I'm going to hold down Shift and go to the right until the O column. And then I'm going to go Control plus to add the 5 columns. I'm going to go back up to fill in the first column. And I have therefore finished step 1.